Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel, and the ring bell button is just down here as well. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, and most of my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be sharing with you, like my title say, the level 3 birthday gift for 2021 from Mecca. For those viewers who are overseas, Mecca is just the down, I call it the down under version of Sephora. Mecca is a big giant cosmetic, makeup, skincare, body care store in New Zealand and Australia. Is founded in Australia, and of course it's got branches all over Australia, now in New Zealand. I just love Mecca. I am so glad Mecca opened, and I was able to purchase products from my favorite brands like Dr. Dennis Gross, Tatcha, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Too Faced, Bare Minerals, Smashbox. Part of its reward system for its customers is the level 1, 2, 3. So the big spenders are level 3 like me. So level 3 customers, we get a birthday gift every year. And it's a different gift. So I went to collect my birthday gift for 2021. So now you know when my birthday is. So I haven't even had the time to open my birthday gift. I just picked it up and have been very busy lately. So I'm going to open it in front of you. Beautiful as always. It says Mecca Cosmetica Beauty, Mecca Beauty Loop. Happy birthday. Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Wow. So Mecca Cosmetica. So Mecca has got its own brand, Mecca Cosmetica cosmetics, and they're so reasonably priced, or cheap. You call them really cheap cosmetics and cheap skincare. So the first item from this box, Nourishing Hand Cream. So this is made in Australia. Beautiful hand cream. Just have a look. So it's sealed, completely sealed. So that's gorgeous. So got a nice hand cream. And what else? Let me take this out. This looks like a nail polish. Mecca, I actually didn't know that Mecca Cosmetica brand has got nail polish as well. So now I know. So this got a red, and it's got a very beautiful pink. So I've got 2 nail polish, a red and like a nude color, pinkish nude color nail polish. I'll just kind of open this. Yeah, so this is a nail polish. Beautiful. Yeah. The smell of nail polish. Beautiful. So I got 2 nail polish and a hand cream. So an 85 ml hand cream and 2 nail polish, 1 red and 1 pinkish nude color. So thank you so much, Mecca, for this birthday gift. So this will be, they tend to use the same birthday gift, I think, for all their customers. And this is the birthday gift for 2021. So thank you very much, Mecca. I would definitely use that. And if I don't use them, I'm not able to use all my gifts. So I like to give them away in a beautiful box. Put that inside. Yeah, beautifully packaged. Beautiful. So there we are. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel, and the ring bell button just down here. And if you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.